Happy Tuesday, everybody. It's time for another episode of Canteen Cup Tuesday. You know, when I kind of thought up Canteen Cup Tuesday, it was meant to be some easy stuff that you could stop along the trail and cook up in your canteen cup. You know, no muss, no fuss. You didn't have a bunch of dirty dishes. You didn't have a bunch of trash. You didn't have a bunch of anything involved. So I'm kind of getting back to the basics. I'm going to do a selection today that some people have been asking me for. It's got a couple of secret ingredients that I think you'll like, but I'm going to call this one bacon, pork, and beans. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, today we're going to be doing the cooking on our wonderfully cheap gas stove and of course in our canteen cup. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to start the stove. I haven't used this thing in a while. Yeah, it still works. And what we're going to do is we're going to add our first ingredient, which is going to be bacon. And I don't care what you're doing, everything is better with bacon. Listen to that sizzle. Woohoo! Turn this down a little bit. Oh man, I don't know if you can see that or hear that. But that is bacon sizzling. We're going to cook this bacon up and then we're going to add the next ingredient. Okay, so this bacon's sizzling up. Ooh, man. Alright, so you might be saying, hey, how can you take bacon on the trail? Well, I froze this bacon because I knew that I was coming out today. But you could use like hardwood smoked bacon or cured bacon. You know, stuff that you really don't have to refrigerate a lot. And you could you could totally take it on the trail. And that bacon is cooking up nicely. Man, look at that. That is nothing but bacony goodness. So you could take like some cured bacon or some smoked bacon or something. You know, there's ways that you can do it if you want to. So we're going to continue to saute up this bacon and then we're going to add the next ingredient. Now that is bacony goodness right there. Whew, man, I can't wait. Okay, our bacon looks like it's pretty cooked up with our wonderful $1.25 tree cutlery set. So we're going to take the bacon off for a second. I'm going to kind of turn this off and put the bacon to the side. Now, for our beans, we're going to make it easier on ourselves. We're going to use a couple of cans of Van Camp's pork and beans. And these got the pull top on them. And he's got the date on the bottom of them. Don't be fooled by the dates. The dates just are kind of like a best in use by date. So, we're going to get this guy out here. Oh yeah. And I'm not even going to drain the bacon grease because that's the best part. I'm going to get the beans in here. Alright, there's one. Lost a couple of beans, but hey, it is what it is. These are unscripted, you know. Yeah, man. Look at this. Now I'm just going to stir these beans up with the bacon. Incorporate it with the bacon. Now the beans are cold. Alright, and it's pretty cold, so let me get the stove back. And we're going to simmer our beans and bacon right on here until we're nice and bubbly. Let me get a little taste. That is good. That's going to be good. All right, we're starting to simmer up. Ooh, man, look at the bacon in there. Wow. And the beans. Let's get a little taste. Holy mackerel, that's good. It's gonna make about a little over half of the Canteen Cup. It's a pretty good amount. Remember, we're just starting with our pork and beans, and kind of gonna make it easy on ourselves by using some pre-made Van Camp's pork and beans. You know, so 2 cans of them, and now we are really rocking. Oop, that's the spoon. All right, we're going to continue to heat this up. Man, that's getting really good. All right, we'll be right back. All right, we've been simmering up for a while here. These are nice and hot. So, get rid of our stove and get our beans down here. Now, I like cheese in any format, so I brought along a little Sargento. I know. Hey, it's supposed to be on the trail. How can you add cheese? Well, you can't. Just trust me. So, you're gonna put a little cheese in there. Oh man. Bacon beanie weenies with cheese. Nothing would ever be complete without our old buddy Cristal. And y'all know me. Just a drop or two in there. Woo! That'll do it. Just a drop or two in there. Oh man. Alright, let's go up and try this. Okay, so here we are on another wonderful Tuesday. Man, I'm sweating already. Whew. And we got bacon beanie weenies with cheese and hot sauce. Oh man, that is tasty. Holy cow. Sorry. Remember, a couple cans of Van Camp's pork and beans. Pop tops, so you don't need a can opener. You don't got to screw around with that. A little bit of Sargento cheese. And our old friend, Cristal hot sauce. Cooked on our $9 Amazon stove. I mean, how much easier can this be? And I'm not solo overnighting in my backyard. Man, that cheese gets stringy. Okay, so this was a good Canteen Cup Tuesday. I want to take this opportunity to apologize for last week's selection. It was totally out of line. Anything Vienna sausage should be outlawed. I mean, from YouTube. So, I just want to apologize for last week's selection. This is much better. We're going to call this bacon beanie weenies. It's good to be back on Canteen Cup Tuesday, and I hope there's more to come shortly. So, with that being said, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I will see you on the trail.